12th lesson, Light and Shadows. In this lesson, we'll be learning about how do we see things and how shadows are formed. Shall we start the lesson now? What is this? It's so dark. I cannot see anything. Children, can you see something? Yes, now it's visible to me. Sun is there, so I can see the hill and the trees. Isn't it, dear? Can you see anything in a dark room? No, we can't see anything. What happens when you switch on the light in the dark room? Yes, now we can see, right? So we come to know when there is no light, then we cannot see. When there is light, then we can see. How do we see things, children? What's the science behind this? Come, let's see that. Look at this picture. Sun is there and an apple is there, right? So during daytime we are getting light from sun. So the sunlight is hitting on the apple, okay, and the light is getting reflected, okay. So the reflected light is reaching our eyes, okay. So from eyes a signal will be given to brain, okay. Then our brain will understand that the object is nothing but an apple and it is red in color and it has one leaf. So like that our brain recognize all these characteristics of this apple, okay. So this is the science that is behind this concept. Children, I used a word called reflection, right? So what is reflection? Light bounces off things. This is called reflection. Okay, so when light is hitting on object, it bounces. Okay, this is called reflection. So when the reflected light falls on our eyes, we can see things. Okay, so whatever the things we are seeing, actually it is because that things reflecting the light rays. That's what we are able to see things. Okay. Say for an example, we are able to see this book, isn't it? During daytime, so the sun is giving the light. So because of the light, we are able to read the book, right? So this is because the light from the sun is falling on this book and the book is reflecting the light, and that reflected light is reaching our eyes and hence we are able to read the book, okay. When we are learning about the light, we should know this term light sources. What are light sources? Only some things give out their own light. They are called as sources of light. So look at the picture. So what are the things that? So we have sun, right? Sun is there, bulb is there, night lamp is there, lighter is there, candle is there, and firewood is there, okay. So these are the things which are giving light, okay. So these things are actually called as sources of light, okay. Among these objects, these things, sun is called as the primary source of light, okay. Children, there is a surprise for you. During night time we see moonlight, isn't it? And during the full moon day we could see the full circle moon, isn't it? It's giving white color light, right? Children, do you know moon has no light at all? Then how the moon is giving the light like this? That is because, look at the picture, sun, moon and earth is there, right? So sun is a big ball of fire and it is giving light, okay. Actually the moon is getting light from the sun and it is reflecting the light, okay. So moon does not have its own light at all. We are getting the reflected sunlight from the moon. Okay. So children, what did we learn in today's class? How do we see things? We could see things when light is there, isn't it? When light falls on anything, it bounces off. That is, it gets reflected. Okay, when the reflected light falls on our eyes, we can see things. Okay, this is the science behind this. Okay, and we also come to know that moon has no light at all. It is reflecting the sun's light, right? So that's what we learned in today's class. Okay, now it's time to end the class. We'll learn about shadows in our next session. Okay, we'll meet you again. Take care. Bye.